I tell her say, no, you already gonna tell her say, me I know your mother.
I see him thing the girl say. I see him thing she say.
That me I show you.
She say, go to your mother. Go to your mother.
Am my mother me a?
That man.
Am my mother me a give my money? Am my mother me a provide a roof for? Them no understand say sometime it is not all about sex.
No.
It's not all about your money. It's just the emotional value. You get me I say? You have to have
emotional value.
You have to have that, bro.
You see me?
You have to have that. Cause may I tell you this? You see me? Enough time youth. Since me a big man. Me a reason with me woman, bro. Me a reason with me woman. But things will happen. Things will happen in my past, dog. And you see when me start talk about it, me cry, dog.
Brother, talking about that. See me sick, brother. And then say once a man, twice a child.
Yes, dog.
Brother, me go right back to a child.
Right
brother.
back, bro.
Right back to a child.
Yes, bro.
You see me just feel like me just want that loving like what mother give.
Yeah,
but you
bro.
want it from your woman. You understand what I say that?
And then a woman ever say to you, say,
hold up your stress. Yeah, man.
Hold
up your stress.
Hold up your stress. Me I know your mama.
Me I know your mama.
Me I know your mother. Bro.
Oh, that woman there for go in the morning.
That was so, bro, when me see video, me I say, yo, me no class woman as girl, you know.
That's what I say.
But yeah, an idea, me I say, this a girl, yeah. Dangerous.
Dangerous, dog. As me said, me don't want to see how she take care of fear man.
She don't have no man, bro. She have 4 or 5 man. She don't have one man, you know.
Who she talk?
Listen, this a woman have a man who pay a light bill. She have a man who pay her rent. Cause she don't own her house, you know. She probably still live with her parents. You see me? Listen, if she drive a car, she have a man who pay for that.
Yeah.
You see, any day a man can't do what she need the man to do, guess what? On to the next. And these young men nowadays need to understand this. Say, enough of them women here, bro, them only in it for what you have.
Want to hear that?
Listen what me I say.
Really
Most of these female, all them in it for is for what you wear, what you drive, and what you can give them. If you get locked up tomorrow, guess what?
Brother,
you not see them, you know?
You get where duck get.
Bro, listen.
Get where duck get.
Alright, watch this. You can give a woman 90% of the time. So suppose one time you run up in some financial difficulty and you have to ask your woman, say, babes, is it possible you could lend me a 5,000, a 10,000? What she ever tell us?
Yeah, man, hold up your stress, sir.